Don't tell us how are you. If you want to more natural and express yourself more confident, it might be time to look some new alternative. Take a look at our tips for saying below. So let's get jump into it. Please pass the spoons over the expression. How are you? You can in lieu of say, for example, what's going on? So আপনি প্রত্যুত্তরে বলতে পারেন I have been better. I'm okay. How is it going? আপনি এর উত্তরে বলতে পারেন better now that you are here. Next আপনি বলতে পারেন what's up? এর উত্তরে বলতে পারেন আপনি I'm pretty good. I'm good. I'm well. আপনি বলতে পারেন how have you been? এর উত্তরে বলতে পারেন I'm alive. আপনি how are you পরিবর্তে বলতে পারেন how is everything? So এর উত্তরে বলতে পারেন not too bad. Yeah, all right. I can't complain too much. So don't say all the time how are you? From now you should utilize the different ways to say inshallah your English will improve and better than anyone. Okay, if you want to be a great speaker in English, then you have to practice as much as really possible. I promise you all the time. So practice and practice because practice makes everyone perfect. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.